Hey guys, good morning. It's about it's 8 o'clock or so. It's already 81 degrees outside, starting to heat up. I didn't get to do a video yesterday, so I figured I'll just go live this morning, and you guys, they can watch the replay later. But I wanted to say, only reason I didn't get out a video yesterday is I ended up working through the night before, and so I was really out of it yesterday. And then I ended up working till after midnight last night, and was up at like 5:40 this morning, and just got back from a couple of jobs. So I wanted to address, what's going on with the crypto space right now, and basically, oh hey guys, I'm not sure. Okay, now I can see who's tuning in. Basically, there's a lot of cryptos on the move, and there's a lot of red. That's what they call the bloodbath. When you see a bunch of cryptos going negative. And what's going on, Jonathan? And so, a lot of people have that real panic feeling and want to end up, cashing out because, we've been up. We went up probably like 50%. Ronnie, what's going on, man? And then, then now there's a 30% correction, and people are like, no, the world's going to end, and then they want to sell off. So basically, I have some good advice here from the Market Sniper. I'm going to show you an interview with Omar Bam. I'm going to flip the camera, and hopefully you can hear the audio. But just some good overall advice from this guy, so check it out.
I feel in the cryptos, but sure, the most useful thing I can do is prevent people from making the mistakes.
Hey, Joyce.
This is my trader in me speaking now, which is a strong point because I've got 26 years of trading.
I advise people not to trade all the time on the channel, but they do it anyway. So, yeah.
So I generally am more in the active investor category, not trading in terms of cryptos. One of my rules, and this is going to bump against some of the guys that love to play, don't short any of them. Yeah, you'll hear rumors. Yeah, you might think some are a pile of crap. Yeah, you'll do that. Stay out of shorting. This is a market that's gone from 1 billion, 7 years it took to get to that 1 billion, to 20 billion in the next year, and we're now sitting through 60, probably 70 if I check what Ethereum's done today. I know you're a big ETH fan.
I've stopped refreshing. It's the only way to stay sane. It could have crashed, and I was just trying to keep an even keel.
I know, but you're right, and you've been spot on by that. Another good shout for you, and credit to you for that. So, I mean, we're probably going through 70 billion market cap. This is something that is expanding at a rapid rate. Yeah. Even the crap will fly, and there is crap out there. So the way I'm doing my active investing as a trader, instead of trading, remember the difference between trading and investing is leverage. Yeah. I'm not touching the leverage. If you look at the denial, I put inverted commas denial of service because I'm not necessarily convinced about that. There could have been volume overload, there could have been anything. Ethereum from 79 to 23, and now literally the same geometry up. It could be a shakeout, get the weak hands out, and because of the the Ethereum Alliance and all the stuff so much more about than I do, that folks should be watching your channel for. But anyway, the long and short of it is leverage is what killed the guys. If you're looking at the troll box that was going down on there, man, guys were losing 150, 100,000.
I've heard horror stories.
I sat right through that. I couldn't log in all day. Yeah. Guess what? When eventually I got in, it was back to normal and business as usual. The only difference is, and people fail to understand the difference that leverage does, even 2 times. If you've got 10 grand and you're actually trading with a 20 grand position and you get halved, you're zeroed.
Yeah.
And that means all your stuff gets auto-closed.
Yeah. And it's all your stuff. I found out from Griff Green, who's on the channel too. He lost a crap ton of coins he had as collateral. All coins. Yeah. He lost them all. And then he forgot to buy back in, and they skyrocketed.
They can take all your resources.
Yeah.
If that's not the exchange you're worth. Yeah. Exactly. Anything and everything to swear you out. They can't let you go negative. They can't come and collect from you. Yeah. It's not that kind of a game. There isn't a collection book. They will strip the kitchen. There'll be nothing left.
I would love to keep asking you for at least 2 more tips, but I'm just gonna tell people to go check out the channel. That was the best tip right there. I'm sure you got a wealth of knowledge, and I'm gonna listen to you myself because, like I said, I love to watch the financial collapse stuff, and I'm getting bored of the regular guys.
All right, guys. Basically, so that's Omar Bam with the Market Sniper. Francis Hunt, guys, he's 26 years of trading experience. So I want to encourage you that even if the the market's taking a dip, like I said, man, we saw like a 50% jump and then, you know, a 30% correction. So it still means it's like 20% up, but people are like, oh no, you know, it's 30% down. So, you know, I want to sell out, cash out. And in some cases, the people got in, you know, at the peak, and then they see 30%, you know, dip, and then they panic and then sell, and it costs, you know, the person that got in too late. And so I just want to tell you guys not to panic, have strong hands. The guy said, you know, strong hands. I got a strong hand. I'm not selling any of my cryptos. I've seen thousands of dollars of loss in my portfolio because of this dip, but it was from after a big boom. So I'm not worried about it. I'm still up. I'm still over the 20K mark. I'm not, I don't got weak hands, man. I've been pulling anchor lines for these large freighter ships for a number of years now. So I got a good grip, and I'm not worried about it at all. Today, actually, I'm going to be buying more cryptos. This dip is a good chance. You guys have seen where the market can go, and you can see where it's going. And so, you know, this is a good time. I know that I saw Bitcoin drop down to 1900. It's over 2100 this morning. And I think that might be the last time we see it in the $1,000 range, you know, between $1,000 and $2,000. And so, you know, it sounds like $1,000 Bitcoin is a thing of the past. You know, it could dip back down. We never know. But regardless, we're going to see where it goes. And I'm in for the long haul. You know, I'm looking at 2020. I'm not looking at 2018, 2019. I'm looking at, you know, the future. And I think you should too. And the big news here, the big advice here is don't short. You know, he's saying, you know, don't use leverage, don't use margins, because man, they can clean you out, and it can really cost you. So, buy and hold is legitimate, and, you know, learn to, read the market, do your research, you know, find out, how to read charts, how to read trends. And, if you guys don't know, if you guys are interested in learning some, I'm going to be doing a workshop, you know, webinar. I don't think this weekend, possibly next weekend. So if you're interested, hit me up, Marco. You can just hit me up here on Facebook. You can hit me up on YouTube. You can go ahead and email me at myquicktip@gmail.com. It doesn't matter, you know, just let me know that you're interested, and, you know, I'll hit you up with an email when we're ready to go. So let me know what's going on, and hopefully I hear from you guys soon. God bless you.